Hello and thank you for watching. Today we're going to be cleaning a toilet bowl, and it's supposed to be porcelain. This is a American Standard. I believe it is a Cub Cadet. So we're going to be trying the Pumie Scouring Stick here. Heavy duty. Here's some applications you can use it on. Removes deep stains, hard water rings, rust and paint, carbon buildup. Okay, I've never used the product before. It's original grade Pumie Scouring Stick, trusted for millions over 75 years. It's got directions back here how to use it. Use it with water. Wet the stick, then rub the edge of the stick on the surface you wish to clean using back and forth strokes. The paste buildup helps to clean and polish. Wash cleaned surface residue, rinse under water. Rinse under running water to clean, store in dry carton. And it says do not use on soft, highly polished metals, unbaked enamel finishes, glass, fiberglass, plastic, Corian, and porcelain decorative tile. Some decorative tile and colored porcelain is fragile and may be damaged by abrasive cleaning materials. Test a small area before proceeding. That's what you can best for cleaning and removing there. So if you get this for free, the instructions yourself. What we're going to be cleaning today is this toilet bowl here. So it's going to be a big challenge, as you can see. And I think what we will do is go ahead and turn the water off to this and flush what we have in there. And we'll use the remaining water for cleaning with the stick. Before doing that, let's go ahead and open up the package and take a look at this Pumie stick. Okay, so right out of the box, we have this lightweight gray stick. It's, it feels like I could break this very easy. Almost has a hollow feel to it, but it is coarse to a degree, but I could probably press my finger marks in it, so it's not really hard and thick. I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic cover here, and then we will proceed. So here it is. Here's a closer look. So it is porous, and water will be able to absorb the stick, and that should help in the cleaning of the surface here. So I think what I'll do, instead of turning off this water, I'm going to go ahead and try the stick on the side here, because if it's not going to work, I'm just not even going to waste my time with it. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it in here. Okay, you can see the stubborn part of the ring here is already coming clean. So I really don't want to scratch the surface, and from what I can tell, it's really not doing that. So let's go ahead and drain this and continue scrubbing here. Turn the water off to the tank, so we just have a limited supply of water here. Want to definitely make sure that it stays wet. Okay, I can see that this is really not going to take a long time, so we'll get back. It is a little bit of elbow grease, but considering how bad this toilet bowl is, I think we can manage. Something that I found that works best is to not have too much water. So once you turn off the water and flush the bowl, There'll still be water in there. Just take your cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, and just continue to push the water down the drain. It'll go down. It may take a little while because with the Pumie stick, yeah, it works better if it's wet, but not grossly wet, I guess. So that's what we're doing here, and we've just got a little more to go here. I'll get right back. Okay, so here's the latest. Wasn't able to completely finish it. I would say I'm 99, maybe 98% finished. I ran out of stick. That's all I have. That's not going to be enough to finish what we have in here at the bottom. But everything else looking fantastic. I don't see any scratches here. You know, you can see how it shines still. Probably not going to get a good shot, but I can tell it's not scratched. Went around the rim, and there's no scratches there. Yeah, probably wouldn't be a good idea to do this every week, but yeah, who would really need to do that? If I had a second stick, I would be able to finish this, but I think most people are not going to have something as dirty as what you saw here, so one stick would clearly do most toilets very easy and probably have a lot left over. Again, that is the Pumie heavy duty scouring stick. Worked great here. Good luck if you try this product. So I guess that'll be it. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.